Hello everyone, I recently got a SARY057 from Japan and it has arrived today. I'm gonna open the package now. This is where I bought the watch. It comes in a really nice package, well packed. I just can't wait to open it. Okay, that's the box. That's the manual it comes in. I can't read Japanese, so it doesn't really matter. The SARY057, I think, is the 4R movement. And now let's open it. Wow, it feels quite heavy. It looks really nicely packaged. It looks brand new to me. Doesn't look like it's open. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, this is SARY057. Imported from Japan. This is the JDM model, Japan domestic model. Okay, let me cut this off. I don't know. Yeah, it looks like it hasn't been used before. I'm not sure. Let's have a look. Let's open it. Looks really nice to me. Let's see if there's any scratches. No, nothing. Looks like it's brand new. It hasn't been used. It's quite heavy. It's quite a heavy watch, about 160, 170 grams. It looks pretty cool to me. This is 41 millimeter. And the lot is 20, sorry, the lot is 20, so it's quite wide. Yeah, I'm quite happy with this. The case looks really amazing. It's very shiny as well. He even got the S logo engraved it here. Yeah, I'm very happy with this purchase. It's about $290 or $9. I will need to resize this later because I know it will not fit my wrist. My wrist is about 6.7 inch. Let's put this baby on and see what it looks like. Yeah, looks pretty cool. I got about 6.7 inch wrist, and I think it looks really nice on my watch. Sorry, on my wrist. Yeah, I'm very pleased with this. Okay. It does feel heavy, definitely, about 170 grams. Yeah, this is, the width is larger than a normal chest watch at 41 millimeter. Normally they are 38 millimeter. So So yeah, I mean, let me wear this for a few times and I will give you a proper full review of this watch. So see you later then. I'm gonna enjoy wearing this for a while.